Hello students, let's discuss the important figures of speech from the poem All the World is a Stage. Let's see the figure of speech in the first line. All the world is a stage. Here, the poet makes an indirect comparison between the world and a stage. So the figure of speech, metaphor. In the second line, and all the men and women merely players. Here we can see an indirect comparison between all the men and women of the world to the players of the stage. So again the figure of speech is metaphor. In the third line, they have their exits and their entrances. There we can see an indirect comparison to birth and death. So the figure of speech is metaphor. Then in the seventh line, then the whining schoolboy with his satchel and shining morning face creeping like snail. Here we can see a direct comparison by using the word like. Here, the unwilling, slow movement of the schoolboy is directly compared to the movement of the snail by using the word like. So the figure of speech is simile. Ninth line, and then the lover sighing like furnace. Here, the sighing of the lover is directly compared to furnace by using the word like. So the figure of speech is simile. Then in the 11th line, then a soldier full of strange oaths and bearded like the pard. Here we can see the courageous soldier is compared to the courageous leopard by using like. So the figure of speech simile. In the 13th line, sudden and quick in quarrel. Here we can see the initial sound of the words quick and quarrel is repeated. So the figure of speech is alliteration. Then in the last line, sans teeth, sans eyes, sans taste, sans everything. Here the word sans is repeated. One word is repeated, so the figure of speech repetition.